Hello, fellow knowledge seekers. Welcome back to Dr. Answer and Nosy. Today, we've got a question that's bound to make the Earth stand still. What would happen if the Earth stopped spinning? And who better to guide us through this cosmic conundrum than the brilliant Dr. Answer?
Thank you, Nosy. Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Answer, and I'm ready to unravel the mysteries of a non-spinning Earth with you.
Alright, Dr. Answer, let's get right into it. What would actually happen if the Earth suddenly stopped spinning? Would we all fly off into space?
Well, Nosy, if the Earth were to magically stop spinning instantaneously, everything on its surface would indeed continue moving at the same velocity. But before you start picturing a chaotic scene, let me explain what would really occur.
So, it's not like a cosmic roller coaster ride after all?
Not quite. While it's true that objects on Earth's surface have a certain velocity due to its rotation, the effect of stopping the Earth's spin wouldn't be as dramatic as you might think.
So, what keeps us from flying off into space, then?
It's our old friend gravity, Nosy. Earth's gravity is what holds us firmly to its surface. Even if the Earth stopped spinning, gravity would still be there, keeping us grounded.
So, it's like gravity saying, you can slow down, Earth, but I'm not letting go of these folks.
You could say that, Nosy. Gravity is a pretty persuasive force.
Alright, let's talk about day and night. If the Earth stopped spinning, would we have permanent daylight on one side and eternal darkness on the other?
That's a great question, Nosy. If the Earth stopped spinning, it would indeed have a significant impact on our day and night cycle. One side of the planet would be in constant daylight, while the other would be in perpetual darkness.
So, it's like having a never-ending day at one pole and a never-ending night at the other. Talk about extremes.
Exactly, Nosy. The areas near the equator would experience less extreme changes, but there would still be significant shifts in temperature and climate.
Speaking of climate, what would happen to our weather patterns if the Earth stopped spinning?
If the Earth stopped spinning, our weather patterns would become extremely unstable. The rotation of the Earth plays a crucial role in shaping our weather by creating wind patterns and distributing heat. Without it, we'd see drastic temperature differences between the day and night sides, leading to extreme weather conditions.
So, it's like having scorching deserts right next to icy tundras, and tornadoes galore in between.
You've got quite the imagination, Nosy, but you're on the right track. Weather would become highly unpredictable.
Dr. Answer, what about the oceans? How would they react to the Earth stopping its spin?
The oceans would face some significant changes as well. The Earth's rotation creates tides by pulling water towards the equator. Without this rotation, we'd see much smaller and less predictable tides.
So, it's like having a wading pool instead of an ocean, with barely any waves to surf.
Well, the oceans would still exist, but you're right that the tides would be quite different.
Okay, here's a cosmic question for you, Dr. Answer. Would a non-spinning Earth affect its position in the solar system? Would we crash into the sun or drift off into space?
Don't worry, Nosy. The Earth's orbit around the sun is a result of its gravitational interaction with our star. Even if the Earth stopped spinning, it would continue to orbit the sun as usual. So, no crashes or cosmic drifts to worry about.
So, it's like being on a merry-go-round that suddenly stops spinning. You don't fly off, you just stay in your spot.
That's a great way to put it.
Well, there you have it, folks. If the Earth were to stop spinning, we wouldn't exactly go hurtling into space, but our world would change dramatically. Our day and night cycle, weather, and even our oceans would be profoundly affected.
That's right, Nosy. And if you enjoyed this podcast episode, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with your fellow curious minds.
Stay tuned for more cosmic questions and their earth-shattering answers on Dr. Answer and Nosy.